damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV, as y'all can see. You feel me, man? Some slight words. A beautiful day outside, man. As y'all can tell, man, by the title, before I even get into that, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, bro. We less than 10 people away from 9K, Cari crew. We less than 10 people away from 9K, currently speaking right now, bro. I don't know where we'll be at by the time this video drop, but right now we less than 10 people away, man, from 9K, you know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty excited about that. But hey, man, I said we ain't got no gas, big dog. We ain't got no gas. I'm doing this video, man, because I need to go ahead and push for that, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit that 9K, man, this week, bro. So we got to go ahead and hit that, bro. I ain't dropped in a couple days. It feel like it's been a long time, so yeah. But anyway, man, make sure you hit that like button, like I say, man. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, man. Get your boy to 9K, bro. Then we'll be on the road to 10K, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all can tell by the title, man, pretty simple. Downshifting in traffic, you feel me? In my scat, you feel me? So I'm gonna get to. I'm in custom mode, by the way. I'm in custom mode, man. So we're gonna do this one in custom. If y'all get the video to 100 likes, you know what I'm saying, I'll do the next one in sport. You know what I'm saying? Then we'll go to the track. You feel me? Y'all get the video. Y'all gotta watch the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? I gotta watch the videos. Y'all see we in paddle shift mode with it. Finna give y'all a little downshifts, little pulls. You know what I'm saying? Talk to y'all, boy, man. While I cruise on this nice day, bro. It's a lovely day outside, man. I ain't drove Olivia in over a week. I ain't heard this in over a week, bro. That's crazy. I ain't drove my baby in a minute. It's soft downshift though, but y'all hear him still. I hope that wind ain't too bad, bro. Roll the windows up just a little bit. These are soft downshifts too, Cari crew. You still here though. You still gonna hit that bit. Still gonna hear that bit. This feels so weird and custom when you're trying to downshift all the time. Y'all let me know what other kind of video y'all want to see, bro. Y'all gotta let me know, bro. I'm telling y'all how I'm doing. Y'all just gotta, you know what I'm saying, comment. Y'all don't even want to comment. Look at that lady. That lady looking like, Yeah, Cari crew, man, we almost at 9K, Cari crew, but that is crazy, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? It been a steady grind. It ain't been as fast as other, but it been a steady grind, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's crazy, bro, to be at this moment. And I've been talking about, I used to always say, man, roll to 10K, get your boy to 10K, but now I'm like literally finna be on that road, like the next actual road to 10K, bro. That's crazy. crazy. And the 10K special card crew, y'all gotta give me the 10K, bro. Y'all ain't gonna wanna miss this 10K special, bro. I'm telling you, bro. When I say, bro, I'm gonna go crazy, y'all watch all the ads, you feel me? Do all that for me. Watch all the ads, bro. I'm telling you, bro. 10K special gonna be stupid. What does that smell? It smells like something burnt. Oh, there's somebody burning. Oh, there's that truck smell like that. Yeah, it smell like outside. Oh, I see smoke over there. Somebody burning. Oh, I thought somebody burning something. Well, yeah, man. We finna be on the road to 10K, literally, bro. But man, that 10K special card crew gonna go so crazy. I don't even know if I'm gonna put a title. I don't even know if I'm gonna put a title like what I'm doing. I'm just gonna probably put 10K special. Man, y'all boys just gotta watch that bit. But I love that road, bro. Look at this. We get another one, bro. We get another one, Playboy. I'm downshifting in traffic, man. With no gas. Just for y'all, boy, man. Hit that 9K, man. It feel amazing outside, too, car. Well, obviously, this video gonna be a little shorter, you know what I'm saying? Cause I just really got out there. I just really drove Olivia just for this, bro. I wasn't planning on driving her no time soon, probably the weekend or something like that. But hey, man, that must sound crazy on them trees, bro. But yeah, man. We gotta do what we gotta do, car crew. Can I turn right here? Can I turn right here? Yeah, I'm gonna turn right here. Folk probably like, what is this nigga doing? I'm like, minding my goddamn business. That's what I'm doing, car crew, ain't that right? We minding our business, man. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth, put the big paddles. Right there, I'm gonna give y'all a first gear pull, bro. Just because we almost at 9K. At like about 3,500 RPM, not about 4,000 RPM. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Bro, when I hit it right when it was like with a little red line there, bro. Like I forgot the paddle, bro. They're like a half second late, bro. Not even half a second, but like less than half a second late, bro. Once you press it. Like, let's say not if I press it, what? See how it went after I pressed it? That's how they is. Even with the upshift, that's why you gotta really press the button. Press the paddle like half a second before you really wanted to shift it. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna do it like a little bit later after you press it. You feel me? Now when you tune your car, I mean, I guess that's a stock tune, but like when you tune your car, it's probably a little different. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a little more snappier. You know what I'm saying? You got a pedal command and shit like that. It may be a little different. I don't know about the pedal command, but like a tune, yeah. But yeah, man. I just want to give y'all a short little POV, man. I know the video ain't that long, but we almost at 9K, Cari crew. Get your boy to 9K, man. If you're watching this video right now, you're not subscribed to the Cari crew, bro. Hit that subscribe button, man. If you love your mama, man. Hit that subscribe button. I hope you love your mama, man. I love mine, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that sub button, man. Hit that like button. Get this video to 100 likes, bro, for another video like this, but in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? We in custom right now. Y'all get it to 100 likes, man, so I can get y'all that sport mode. Y'all know sport mode my favorite mode, so y'all know I ain't got no problem doing that. But you know what I'm saying? We gotta work, man. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all boy to work, man. Hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, man. 100 likes, bro. 100 likes. Somebody burning some trash over here. Something. Oh, I see it in their yard over there. It smells like paper, like ink. I don't know if that 12 behind me or not. I can't stand when folks drive on these, what you call it, bro. But they can't be 12 because they got a missing light out. So. But yeah, man. Y'all do that for me, man. But that's probably going to be a wrap for this video. I'm going to give y'all probably one more little pull, man, or make a little noise. I was trying to see what kind of Explorer this was behind me. But it looked like it might be a civilian. That truck hard. But yeah, man. But yeah, man. I don't know what that car is behind me, so I ain't gonna give y'all. I ain't gonna go too crazy. But I'll give y'all a little noise. But yeah, man. That's gonna be a wrap, man. Look, my gas light just came on. Come on. All that for y'all, bro. All that for y'all, bro. Gas light done came on and everything. But yeah, man. Now I'm finna really take it to the crib, man. But yeah, car crew, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banker from your boy. And also, man, like I also said in my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, car crew. You feel me? I'm trying to touch that sky, man. Hey, we getting close. We're getting closer to that 10K, man. Closer and closer. In a couple days, bro, it's gonna be less than 1,000 people away, car crew, for 10K, bro. I've been talking about this since I had 4K, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, it's coming, bro. I'm telling y'all, this summer gonna be turned. This summer gonna be lit, bro. We gotta go up, bro. Y'all boys just show love, man. Show love. That's all I ask, bro. I'm just a regular nigga trying to, you know what I'm saying, do something different. You feel me? Do something different, man. I love doing these videos, bro. Especially when y'all boy be tuning in, really letting me know that y'all rock with the video. You feel me? Come on, bro. Every little thing count, man. But hey, I ain't finna keep, you know what I'm saying, preaching to y'all about that. But like I also say to all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. Stay prayed up, stay humble, man. Keep your faith up the best way you can, man. Try not to be depressed. You know what I'm saying? Pray about your problems, bro. If you ain't got nothing else to do about it, and you don't know what you can do about it, pray about your problem, man. I know people they hate when people say that, but bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You actually pray it and do it, man, and do it for real. Like, it works, bro. It's just in his timing. Sometimes we that's the only thing we don't like, is the timing, bro. But hey, man, when it happen, it happen. When it do happen, boy, it's worth it. So, our boys stay humble out there in these streets, man. But yeah, anyway, man, that's all I gotta say, man. So, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.